Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Treetops Park. We're going to be seeing cool animals and a lot of cool plants. Come on, let's go. Look at this cool citrus fruit from this plant. Can you guess what it is? Put in the comments below. If you like coffee, you're in luck. This is a wild coffee plant. Who wants a cup of joe? Guys, there's something in there. What could it be?
One eternity later.
Raccoons have a black mask around their eyes which helps them with glare from sunlight, but it also helps them hide from predators. Either way, they are very cute to look at, right? Wow, look at all the turtles and catfish. Can you see one of the turtles we saw in Chapel Trail? Do you remember what it's called? If you guessed soft-shell turtles, you are correct. I think we just saw a poison ivy. Did you know they're not actually poisonous? They have an oil on their leaves that could create a rash on your skin. Some of these plants are harmful, so definitely keep an eye out for those. of snakes here. Just kidding, they're snake plants. Snake plants purify the air. They release oxygen at night. Isn't that cool? I might be hungry because that looks like a pancake with syrup and everything. These berries look yummy, but they might be poisonous, so don't take your chances. So guys, thank you for watching Explore, Respect Nature, and if you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.